In today's video, I'll be unboxing my brand new Dogecoin miner. Hello everybody, my name is Sanad. Welcome to another episode of The Clever Millionaire. Before we get started, I would appreciate it if you smash the like button and subscribe to the channel. And now let's jump straight into it. Alright, so my miner arrived today in this awesome gray box. But when you open it up, the packaging is very well done. Check it out. And now let's take this bad boy out. Check it out, the matchx Neo miner. This thing mines Dogecoin and MXC. It is still in the wrapper, but we're about to open it up. I've been waiting for this miner for multiple months now. It was in pre-order, but now they are delivering them and I'm super excited to test it out. Also, if you are wanting to get one of these miners and you want to start mining Dogecoin, check out the link in the description box below. Hopefully all of this is catching. Yeah, but as you guys know, Dogecoin is not going anywhere. It was literally the biggest meme coin in the last bull market, and meme coins are not going anywhere. We have seen Dogecoin make millionaires multiple times over. And recently, Pepe has skyrocketed and made even more millionaires. But people are going to invest in meme coins, and Dogecoin being the king of meme coins, it is definitely going to stick around. That is why I got this Dogecoin miner, so I can start stacking up on Doge, and then in the next bull market, I'll probably be selling and taking some profits. But now, let's open this bad boy up. All right, the packaging, in my opinion, is awesome. It got this awesome green right here, super well packaged. Oh man, it's my first time seeing one of these in person. Let me open the box real quick. So this part is empty. We're gonna put this over here. So the first thing that we are going to see is the pamphlet. This pretty much talks about the Neo miner, I'm guessing, gives you all the stats and all of that stuff. But this is what we are here for. This is what we are here for. Let's check out this miner real quick. All right. Check it out. There is a cable right here, a USB, I'm guessing. But let's see the miner. Wow. Very well packaged. Check it out. The Neo matchx. It is very simple. Does have an Ethernet cable right here. And I'm guessing the power supplies. Other than that, it is super sleek and simple. Can't wait to fire this bad boy up to see how much Dogecoin and MXC it actually mines. But it looks freaking awesome. Let me put this right here. Let me open it with this. Yeah, this is definitely a power supply. Uses the same charger as my iPhone. All right. So that's it. That is all you get in this Dogecoin miner. All you get is the Neo, the miner itself, and this cable right here. Hopefully they give us instructions on how to set this thing up. Let me open this up real quick. Yeah, it pretty much has the barcode that we have to scan, download the app, plug in our miner, connect it to the internet, and that's it. And we will start making some money. So right here it gives us a safety guide. Says do not put it in water. Who in their right mind will put this in water? It also says do not disassemble, for indoor use only, keep away from children, place in upright position. And then on this page it talks about the tiers. Personally, I have not read into the tiers, so I do not know much about it, but I will definitely look over all of this information and I will plug this miner up, set it up, and give you guys all the important information. This was just a quick unboxing. Stay tuned for the next video where I plug this bad boy up, I download the app, and I set it up so we can start earning some free crypto. With all that being said, the Neo is supposed to be one of the most efficient miners out there. It literally wastes no electricity, it doesn't make noise, but it makes you free crypto. So my goal with this miner is to pretty much accumulate as much Dogecoin as possible. We are in a full-blown bear market. Everything is down big time, including Doge. But I believe Dogecoin will definitely recover in the next bull market. So my plan is very simple. Mine as much Dogecoin as possible, start stacking up, and then once the bull run returns, hopefully I'll be sitting on some decent profits. If you want to follow this journey and watch me accumulate some free Dogecoin, Make sure to subscribe to the channel and stay tuned for future videos. So that pretty much concludes this unboxing video. If you have any questions about the Neo Dogecoin miner, drop them in the comment section below. If you want to order yourself one and you want to start getting free Dogecoin, the link will be in the description box below. See you in the next video. Peace out.